A woman who works at a dry cleaner's shared this trick for yellowed pillows with me. It helps restore their fresh, clean appearance. Start by making a homemade cleaning mixture using just a few simple ingredients. Grab a container and begin with laundry detergent, which helps loosen dirt, freshen the fabric, and leave behind a pleasant scent. Next, add a small amount of vinegar to help soften the material, remove unpleasant odors, and clean the surface more thoroughly. Then add a little baking soda, which helps break down built-up residue, neutralize odors, and boost the effectiveness of the mixture. The next ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which helps brighten light-colored fabrics and refresh their appearance. You'll also need fabric softener. Measure out 1 capful and add it to the mixture. It will leave a pleasant fragrance, soften the fabric, and make the pillow feel softer to the touch. Pour in some warm water and mix everything thoroughly. Now take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the prepared solution, and squeeze out the excess water well. Spread the cloth out, place the iron on top, and gather the corners around it to create a simple cleaning cover. Take your yellowed pillow, place the cloth-covered iron on the fabric, and gently move it across the surface. The heat helps refresh the fibers and gives the pillow a cleaner, fresher appearance. Once you're finished, you'll notice that the yellow perspiration stains have faded and the fabric looks like new again. The pillow will regain its bright, fresh appearance. Enjoy a soft, refreshed pillow that once again looks clean, inviting, and perfect for relaxing. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white. Place the pillow in a trash bag and see what happens. Everyone knows that clean pillows are key to a good night's sleep. Despite using a pillowcase, yellow stains from sweat often appear, along with particles of skin and dust. Such a pillow quickly becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and dust mites, leading to poor sleep and allergies. Pillows should be washed every few months. But what to do with them in the meantime? There's a simple way to refresh them in just a few minutes without the need for washing. Grab a trash bag, ensuring it's larger than the pillow you want to refresh. Also, get some baking soda ready. Place the pillow in the trash bag and sprinkle baking soda on it. Seal the bag and shake it to ensure the soda covers the entire pillow. Rotate the bag with the pillow on all sides. The soda needs to mix well in the bag, and when you peek inside, you'll see and feel the powder on the pillow's surface. Seal the bag again and leave it for several minutes. During this time, the soda will start working. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and absorbs excess moisture. After a few minutes, take the pillow out of the bag. There will be a lot of soda on it. Grab a vacuum and use a clean attachment to vacuum the pillow thoroughly from both sides. This will leave the pillow free of contaminants that could negatively impact your health and sleep. Without washing, it will be refreshed. The unpleasant odor of sweat and moisture, even if slight, will disappear. Some stains will fade or vanish. Your sleep will significantly improve, and all it takes is a few minutes and a bit of baking soda. You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration. This way, you can save your pillows from tearing in the dryer. Regularly washing the pillowcase isn't enough to prevent dirt and bacteria from accumulating. It's important to wash the pillows themselves often. This removes dirt, oils, and dust mite residues. I'll show you how to wash your pillows without damaging them. Wash 2 pillows at a time to keep the washing machine balanced. Set the wash cycle to gentle and the water temperature to about 40 degrees Celsius. You don't need to remove the filling to wash your pillows. The foam in the pillows harbors the most bacteria, so to wash them without clumping together, add a few ping pong balls. This allows the pillows to move freely, and the ping pong balls will help gently remove dust from them. Since the balls are lightweight, they will create the right amount of washing foam, which is important for effective cleaning.